the internet, how are you doing? It is another update on Space Odyssey Arena. A couple of weeks have passed since the last update. I spent quite some time working on the login API for the multiplayer, so there was not a lot to show last week. For the API I started, as mentioned before, with the idea of creating lambda functions, because it is one of the most cost-efficient way of creating APIs. But creating the local development environment was such a pain that I decided to switch to a nodeJs app because it was much faster to work with. At this point I wanted to show you the different speed of starting the nodeJs environment versus the local lambda environment using SamLocal, but the latter crashed, so I gave up. For the login system I'm using JSON Web Token. That means that every time someone logs in, I create a token that I save on MongoDB, but I send back to the client a JSON Web Token, where the token is the data. The neat thing about JSON Web Token is that they support the expiration out of the box, so I don't have to reinvent the wheel to check if the token is expired or not. I create a simple verified token that I can use to check the token itself. When the player logs in from the game, I also save the JW token locally, so the next time the player tries to log in, if the token is valid, the user is automatically logged. For the gameplay I update a few things. I changed the way the data for the ships is loaded, so now selecting a ship instead of another is a meaningful choice. I changed the hitboxes and moved them to be small hitbox in the center of the ship. I did this because I tried a few different things and this is the one where I'll move on. The other change I made was on the homing missile. Now the aiming circle shrinks and the damage of the missile is higher the smaller the circle is when fired. The next feature I'm going to implement is an auto-fire system where the user can either bash the fire button or keep it pressed. The idea is to not limit the bashing, but there will be a fire rate to limit the auto-fire. So this probably will allow updates or power-ups of some sort. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, subscribe, comment, do whatever you do on YouTube, and most importantly, let me know if the hot dog is a sandwich in the comment below. Peace!